My name is Garrett Brown. Welcome to IT in 5, where I review MSP vendor demos in under 5 minutes. So today, we're going to be going into a demo with Dynoma that offers automatic data archiving from a wide range of data sources such as email, messaging, video, and more. So all the data is archived, it's encrypted, it's searchable, and helps meet compliance requirements. So let's jump into the demo. Here is what we saw, and here is what we liked. So first things first, just note, some of the information in this demo will be blurred for privacy and protection. After logging into OneVault, we jump straight into the Messages tool. Now, they archive data from emails, videos, voicemails, messages, and apps, and more. They call this their compound level search functionality, where you can search and filter any message across any of the integrated data sources. So here's a quick overview of what you're seeing here on the Messages tool dashboard. You can select a filter for date range, and each message is on a row where it shows you what product the data came from, data type, start and time, and the sending sources and recipients. If you click on the blue plus circle on the far left row, it'll expand to show you other details such as retention data, attachments, and more. The mail icon, you can actually view the message itself, and the tag icon allows you to see if it's been tagged, or you can tag it. So we're diving into the compound level of search, and you can filter messages of record type, people, between people, keywords, tags, and message ID. We plugged in a search for people in a record type, which you'll see a list of multi-data sources that you can pick as being archived. You can also search using multiple filters. In this example, behind the people filter, they added keyword and tagging filter, so you can help find specific context for that person. The filter between these people allows you to add people to see the conversations between them. So just as a reminder, we're blurring out information. It's not a function of their platform. We jumped over to the roles where you can edit and add users, as well as define the variety of user type roles. So for instance, in a legal issue, you can assign a paralegal temporary access to an archive vault, and they can look for only users inside this vault. You don't have to give up full access to all the data, and you aren't creating the equivalent of a phishing expedition or worry about compromising other employees' data and security. You can set up and specify times, organization, users, departments, everything you need for the focus of those legal inquiries. And you can flag them, never be deleted, if they're saved and encrypted for compliance worthiness. They secure and archive the data on a data center, but if you're an organization such as government that has security requirements, just reach out to them and they can work with you. With the encryption, they encrypt down to the letter as opposed to others who encrypt only like a word or a sentence. Also, one thing that they pointed out is their search is super fast. As you can see here, they searched and it quickly returned results for 357,000 messages. So if you're doing legal searching, time is money. This can definitely help. We jump over to Audit Trails, where it shows a familiar search interface, and they allow you to see the actions of all users, as you can filter by action type or users. We also jumped over Smart Actions. We can create an action around a keyword that's mentioned in the data sources, and you can generate an email notification. The keywords will be logged in the Audit Trail that we just saw, and you can tag the conversation if you'd like to. People need their data, and they need to know where it is. They want to be able to search it. I can give you 20 reasons this Sunday why you'd want to archive your data. For instance, say you're in a discovery with a new service that you're looking to integrate your company with or your clients, and suddenly, this has happened to me. So suddenly your sales or account manager switched. Everyone's all cordial, pleasure to meet you, and then you notice the terms of the service you talked about are not what you talked about with the prior account manager. The guy's unreachable. Everyone's searching for that. Maybe it's an email message. It just can't be found. It's happened. I'll probably use an archiving service to say, oh, you know what, FYI, here are the terms that we talked about. Data compliance has so many layers to it. And long ago, people just didn't take it serious because it didn't have teeth. There was no bite to it. But not in today's world. The teeth are sharp. They have consequences. It has a bite. You have to take this stuff seriously, and it's so much work. Because when I think about the amount of work, the planning, security, the storage that would be needed, listen, let's be real. You have 30 other focuses that you need to handle as an MSP. And I, for one, would absolutely plug in Dynoma into my stack because their solution cuts out time and helps compliance. I'll be hit hard, legal, financial, medical, and then but prospecting, oh yes. So go over their channel program profile. They have videos and documents for you to check out. They stood up in 2004. Support's offered by Teams, website chat, email, and help desk. They offer NFR licensing, which is nice. And they have marketing and development funds. They're international. They offer cloud and hybrid. And depending on your plan, you get a dedicated account manager. So go over to channelprogram.com, search for Dynoma, or search for OneVault in our Explorer category, data privacy, governance, and risk. My name is Garrett Brown. Thank you for watching IT in 5. I'll see you out there.